player when it came to game, but got bitched in a sense when it came to Jane. I can't explain deep breaths that I take in her presence. Farm recollections connect to every ounce of her essence. I love her since she joined with the herb for bubble. Love so strong it can't be wrong for her to share with another. Long as she touch my lips and fingers, fuck it, we swingers. Cause it's Jane to keep me sane for what the world gon' bring us. Can make a blind man see and forget his doctor's appointment. For her sheer enjoyment, I even risk unemployment. Can it be her first name changed to Calamity? Cause it's all by the law in my card and grabbing me, harassing me, asking me where this shit come from. Having me see a counselor asking questions that's plumb dumb. Trying to steal my love, so now I'm constantly taking shit. Cause now 3 times a week they wanna test our relationship. Shit.
Things are confused inside. She's making love to equalize. Just a flash on a beautiful girl.
Jane, I need a hair change. Coochie hair plain colored, sweet little red things. She riddles every area of my brain with deep tickles. Mary Mary that carries my pain. No, an angel came to me one night chillin', said I won't change you, just tame who's within that feeling. I said cool, let's lay up with the stars for a minute. Next I know we break up roaches from cigars. We done finished. Jane done things that made me search my soul. As a young one, she's an old freak that cuts slow. Leave her right now, you get a hellified no. I guess I need her. That double-edged ledge cuts throats. I love the pleasure or pleasure, whatever, call it leisure. You call her a crutch, y'all hush. I call her Retha, undressing her, loving the resin upon fingertips. It's over when I roll with your fat lady. Don't sing it, bitch.
Things are confused inside. She's making love to equalize.
I said, damn, damn.